Alright, quick tutorial on how to Bluetooth your entire audio system. As you can see, these headphones are beat up. I have two autistic children. They tend to do what they want, so the headphones are now beat up. But you take the wires that go to the drivers, you take them loose, you splice in a negative and a positive wire, and you run that all the way down to your equalizer. Don't mind it the way it looks, because I didn't fill in none of the stuff yet, because again, this is for tutorial purposes. And you run it to your equalizer, you take your RCAs from your equalizer and you send it to your whatever amplifiers you have, or amplifier, 4-channel, whatever, and you're good to go. Now this is my tablet, which is on its own chosen to pick up whatever it wants to pick up. You know what? Here, how about we just try this? We'll just go to this. I mean, not this shit. Wrong thing. We'll go to this. Should be able to hear it.